Welcome to Trelash House, a beautiful Grade 2 listed cottage with a wealth of character features, wonderful well-stocked gardens with kitchen, garden and orchard. It's got a beautiful outbuilding with 2 garages and workshops and a 1-bedroom detached holiday barn, offering a great lifestyle and just a few miles from the North Cornish coast. Welcome to the inside of Trelash House. This gives you some idea of the character inside this Grade 2 listed property, which has been beautifully presented and well maintained over the years by our clients. Features such as exposed beams, massive slate flagstone floors, the granite features here in the fireplace which houses the Aga. They complement beautifully with the modern kitchen with lovely handles, granite work surfaces and splashbacks and double Belfast sink, but a real sociable centre of this beautiful property. The rest of the accommodation comprises a beautiful living room with traditional fireplace housing a wood burner. There's a fantastic ground floor shower room and utility space where my clients have made a feature of the original well and pump. On the first floor there are 3 comfortable bedrooms with exposed A-frames and a lovely family bathroom with a roll-top bath. Beautiful property and well worth a viewing. So the gardens are a joy to behold. Our clients have created the gardens. When they came, it was just a blank canvas. So they've created the colour and the maturity in the gardens. There's a kitchen garden with a greenhouse and raised beds. There's an orchard. And I say, just wonderful colour throughout the year, especially to the front of the property. And there's lovely little sitting areas to enjoy a barbecue or a drink or a coffee at certain points in the day. And they do offer plenty of privacy and seclusion from the quiet village. The beauty of the setup here with Trelash House is the barn, very successful holiday let, is tucked away from the main property. It has its own garden and parking. Let me show you around. I really hope you've enjoyed this video of Trelash House. Trelash itself is a tiny little hamlet about 4 or 5 miles from the North Cornish coast. Please give us a call on 01566 776211 and we'd love to show you around.